Hey, are you in real estate and you've had a client come to you before saying, hey, I need insurance, and so you send them a referral for an insurance partner, and then all of a sudden now they talk to them and they can't actually get that home insured? That's a bummer, and if that's happened to you, you're going to definitely want to pay attention to this video. And if you haven't had it happen, just wait, be in real estate long enough and it'll probably happen. This is going to be some information you need to check out right now. What's up, everyone? It's Brandon Melvin, eXp Realty, bringing you the real estate tip of the week for all you realtors out there. I have a good friend of mine, Asher Koenig.
Hey, how's it going, guys? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, tell us a little bit about what you do. Obviously, we're talking about insurance here, so you're probably in the insurance industry, as I would say.
Yes, sir, I am. Yeah, I do insurance with Goosehead Insurance. One of the largest brokers in the nation, actually. And I've been doing it for about 2 years now, and excited to have a chat with you guys about a little bit more about insurance.
Yeah, man. Well, it's our pleasure. Again, viewers here get to hear a little bit about you and your information that you have to provide to our clients as realtors. So definitely excited to hear what you have to say. But let's get into it and tell us a little bit about how you got started, why you actually got into the insurance industry, and things of that nature.
Yeah, definitely. So I first got, recruited, heard about Goosehead when I was in college. They were talking to us in one of my sales classes I was taking at A&M. And I was like, oh, that's a really cool company, learned a little bit about it. And I always kind of liked the real estate industry. My retirement goal is to own rental properties. So I like that renewal income. And so then when I learned more about insurance and how it works, I just kind of was like, wow, that's for me. I get to talk to different people every day. Help people when they're going through the home buying process, make it smooth, save people money. They love to talk to me. And I get to get paid on this year over year. And we have the highest retention of any insurance company out there. So I get paid on it the longest. I was like, it was kind of a no-brainer for me to, give it a shot. And boy, was it such a great decision, because then, a couple months after I got into the industry, the pandemic happened. And I didn't miss a beat, because everyone who lives somewhere or drives something needs the service I offer. So yeah, it was a really, really great opportunity, and been loving it ever since, and been able to help out. When I was looking this morning at 685 clients so far. Nice. So yeah, that's who I currently have in my book. So it's been great.
That's good, man. I'm sure they're definitely excited to hear you obviously can save them money, and obviously you have some clients that have been through that, experienced that. So obviously this channel is for real estate agents, and the beginning question, we started, hey, have you ever had an insurance agent say that, hey, they can't insure this home? I know that we've got a pretty good relationship here, and then you've helped many of my clients and many of the agents on my team, their clients as well. But tell us an instant that, obviously you've had someone in the industry before say no to a client or their home. Like, what might that look like? And then how can you help them when somebody else couldn't?
Definitely. Yeah, so here just in Central Texas, the most common ones that wouldn't be an uninsurable home is going to be like roof age. So a lot of carriers, they won't take any homes that have more than 15-year-old roofs. If that does happen, we have options for it. Or maybe they have, it's a historic home, and so it's got galvanized plumbing, hasn't been updated or outdated wiring, or they want to do short-term rentals. All those things are some of the biggest flags that some insurance companies won't take. The good news is, working with me, I represent over 50 companies here in Texas, so I have a solution for everything, whether it be a barn dominium, a log cabin house, or just to have a little bit outdated, might have some outdated plumbing or wiring. We got solutions as long as it's not a fire hazard. Then get an electrician out there for that. But we can take care of it, and those are the most common ones probably. Every now and again I'll have the weird ones where they got an in-home daycare, which we got solutions for that too. Or maybe they're doing a dog breeding on their property, or just that extra liability risk.
Hey man, you've been in real estate long enough, you're going to come across something. So I'm definitely glad that I know you, and I can definitely say, hey, we've got a shot. Definitely talk to Asher though. So cool. Definitely, being in real estate, you help our clients, insure their homes. Mm-hmm. But are there other things besides homes and auto that you can maybe help our clients maybe save some money that would excite them?
For sure, yeah. Home and auto insurance is definitely the most common, because everyone pretty much lives somewhere or drives something. But also maybe they're not homeowners yet. Maybe they're just renters. Y'all are working with them to become homeowners, so they need renters insurance. Or boats, ATVs. They got you're working with those ranching clients. They got all sorts of stuff: tractors, ATVs, farm and ranch, commercial policies if they're business owners. We do that as well. A lot of times too. We work with anyone could use it, but definitely those luxury listings, they're going to need umbrella policies, which are extended liability, protecting them from any lawsuits. So it's really important to them. We offer all of that. Maybe they just got a nice Rolex collection they want to insure, so they need personal articles floaters. Basically, any type of insurance, we got a solution for it. If it's property and casualty, so anything you can own.
Man, I like the sound of that, saving money, right?
Yes, sir.
It's always good. Definitely, that's a good thing to do, because then you can either invest it in something else or put it to work for you. So cool, good news. So let me ask you this. What other support and resources do you specifically have as an insurance agent that would make you and your company stand out against any other insurance agent and company that's out there?
Definitely. So the first is just level of service, but everyone can kind of say that. So I'm going to put some truth to it. So I'm going to take great care of your clients, but not only am I going to, when I sell them the policies, get them all set up, make sure they get closed on the home, which is the most important thing for all you guys, get closed on the home. But I have the #1 rated service team of any industry there to help them for the life of them being clients. And so they're the highest Net Promoter Score of any company out there, which Net Promoter Score is just 2 quick questions we send to our clients. How satisfied are you with your service? And how likely are you to refer a friend or family member? Every time they interact with me or my service team, they get sent that and they fill it out. We're sitting at a 93% Net Promoter Score, which the next highest in the insurance industry is USAA, which is in the low 70s. I mean, we're higher than Walt Disney and Apple, who are known for being service. Everyone loves Walt Disney, but apparently not as much as they love Goosehead. So,
those are some scores out there that's just like head and shoulders. It's like not even close. It's like there's a big gap, right?
Absolutely, yeah. We're striving. When I first started 2 years ago, we're at 91, and so it's like making incremental increases every day to investing in technology, which helps that, because a lot of clients now they just want to text, or they want to do it through an app, or they want to they don't want to have to call in and talk to a person. They can do it. There's lots of other ways they can interact with our service team or with myself, which is also why we created our digital agent, which kind of does the preliminary shopping of the whole market with our providers in under 90 seconds. So if somebody's looking at a home, even if they're on their free time, they're just browsing Zillow and they're sending you a link after link after link for offer pending, which they can also run quotes on insurance for that same home and see what it costs, and not listen to the little Zillow price for insurance. They can get a realistic one in under 90 seconds for each home. So those are a couple things that no other insurance agent can offer. Other than Goosehead.
Well, that sounds good, man. I know getting a quote quickly and efficiently and the accurate quote, that's pretty important to, I would say, most consumers out there in any industry. And so insurance is definitely huge because you're insuring some of the biggest assets that you have.
Absolutely.
So good news there. So let's go to this. Tell us an example of when you actually were able to save someone some money and help them in their life through your services.
Yeah, definitely. So I'll just give a couple quick ones. It literally happens every single day. At least once a week, I save someone over $1,000 a year. And $1,000 a year that's a lot of money, guys. If it's not, that's awesome. You're doing great in real estate, but that's a good bit of money. So it's a couple car payments or something. But some of the biggest ones, it's like getting to save those single moms. I had one that was just an auto renters. It was a referral over one of my current clients. He's actually he's also a loan officer as well, so he's in the industry. But he referred over a friend, and I was able to help her out and save her over $150 a month on her auto insurance. And then bundle her renters with it as well. And so I was instead of having to pay about I think it was $350 a month, and she's now down to $200 a month. That's $150 extra she can use on whatever she needs to help
that's
provide
huge
for her kids. So,
seriously, for a single mom, that is absolutely huge, man. And
definitely.
And I know you probably have more stories like that, including one from my client.
Yeah.
I know I have an investor client that used you and was able to save around $2,500. I know he buys different condos in the area, and maybe now we can use that extra income that he has to put it towards another property or two. So I get a feeling maybe we'll be in contact with you again shortly.
Yeah, I hope so.
I'm excited too.
Yeah, anytime we can save money, it's like they're looking to that money's got to go somewhere. So maybe moving some more property, especially with someone who's into investment. So I can definitely foresee that happening.
Well,
For sure.
well, definitely, man. We appreciate all the good information that you have here, and I know if we have all these viewers and they're looking and they're thinking, "Hey, man, I know I want to use Asher for one of my referral partners to try and help my client save some money." What's the best way to get a hold of you? Go ahead, drop your phone number, email, anything. Tell them how to reach you.
Definitely. Yeah, guys, feel free to reach out. You can always just call or text me directly. I'm at 512-276-5096, or you can feel free to shoot me an email as well. It's Asher, ASHER .Koenig, KOENIG, at Goosehead, GOOSEHEAD.com. Feel free to give me a call if you want, you got a client who need help, or you just want to chat, or you need help, sending some stuff if you're here locally. Help with an open house sponsor, someone to send some cookies, give me a call. Happy to help out any way I can.
This guy's amazing. Y'all hit him up. We're going to put all the information in the description below, so feel free to reach out to him, and we hope this information was helpful to you. Until next time.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Brandon.